Welcome. So today I'm at the Malacañang of the North in Ilocos Norte. I'm at Ferdinand Marcos's house. So that's the father of the current president of the Philippines. I'm stood with my back to what would have been his swimming pool at the time. Very, very large pool, clearly fallen into disrepair, and is a little bit brown, to say the least. There's like some veranda stroke canopy area on the far side. Changing room area here. The house is quite grand. It does look like a palace. It overlooks a lake. So I believe that the president's father was Ferdinand Marcos and his wife Imelda Marcos. And this was their house when they were not in the capital. It's in lovely landscaped and manicured gardens. Just coming onto the lawn now. And here is the what would have been the presidential palace in the countryside, i.e. the family home. 2 stories, an open veranda and patio area. Sort of manicured gardens, and it overlooks this fantastic lake. This is a tourist site now. It's still owned by the Marcos family. However, as I said, it's open to the tourists. It costs 70 pesos per adult to get in, 50 pesos per child. It's open all year round. This is the drawing room, would have been the library. This is Ferdinand Marcos, President of the Republic of the Philippines, 1965 to 1986. Here's the man himself. Agriculture is one of the leading livelihoods in this area. And if anybody's wanting to come and visit this place, flights are from Manila with both Cebu Pacific and Philippine Airlines. Cebu Pacific flight leaves at 4:10 every morning, and the Philippine Airlines flight is at 8:40 p.m. in the evening. Flight's about 45 minutes to Laoag International Airport, which is actually not a very international airport, but that's what it's called.
I'll take a picture of it. Go. Paoay ka sa stand. Asper. I can't see you. Put it down.
There's a military cabinetry display.
Just there you go. Stand. Jeez.
It's Ferdinand and Imelda Marcos meeting President Suharto of Indonesia. Meeting Emperor Hirohito from Japan. Communist leader of China, Mao Zedong. Meeting Richard Nixon with Imelda Marcos. Meeting Leonid Brezhnev from Soviet Union. Meeting Indira Gandhi from India. Big map on the ceiling. That's the downstairs of this place. There's a grand wooden staircase, possibly made out of mahogany. This would have been a downstairs bedroom. It's a 4-poster bed, timber. This is the original furniture of the decorations on the ceiling, all made out of probably mahogany, chandeliers. There's another bedroom here. Single king 4-post bed. The detailing on the timber on the door. See a sign of wealth at the time. And we're going to go up the grand staircase. Wow, stunning space upstairs, absolutely amazing. This is the first floor overlooking the lake. There's like a bed here for 5 or 6 people. Imagine waking up to this on a morning. All the floors are made of solid timber. Looks like the original luggage room and ballot buying box from the Marcos occupation period. Ballot buying boxes are obviously what Filipinos generally send home from abroad if they're OFWs or overseas foreign workers. This is the sort of things that they'd pack inside their ballot buying boxes, stuff that they would buy abroad, send back to their family. Stuff that was more readily available, perhaps in Western countries, that wasn't available for sensible prices in the Philippines at the time. Vaseline, Bushell's tea, chocolate, cigarettes, pistachio nuts, like brandy or whiskey, shampoo, shea butter, macadamia nuts, and more stuff in over here. Lagoon, Galagoon, Galagong. There's a the thing here about overseas Filipino workers. OFWs. It's like some sort of stage here for practicing film, speaking opportunities. Culture was quite important for pre-Hispanic Filipinos. It was back into this big open space. So this is essentially the entertaining space, the living space. It appeared that the bedrooms were downstairs, and the space up here is for entertaining dignitaries and family members. This is shown by various pictures that are adorned across all the walls. Family photos, military photos. More photos on this side. Some very large chandeliers in here, all matching. Which at the time would have been very expensive for them. Some more bedrooms in here. 2 beds, separate beds, possibly queen size rather than single. Each of them 4-poster. This could have been a ladies' room, perhaps a ladies' dressing room. See, one of the things of note is that there isn't any in-house bathrooms in this property. This is a famous church, which we'll go and visit and cover in the next video. This is the garden outside the other side of the property. You see all the decorative wood panelling. I think this place is well worth a visit, if you like history and education, whether you're Filipino or foreigner. If you're Filipino and you want to see some of your country's history, or a foreigner or a tourist, and this place is a bit off the beaten track. It's not somewhere that typically tourists from the west come to. So hopefully I'm not duplicating anything that everybody else has done on my YouTube channel.